Okay, this is my son's tool mag, and I'm going to show you how I set it up for him. Now, before your kids leave the home, you should give them a set of tools. They're going to need it in life no matter what they do. Okay, this is the set I got for my son. Now, most of the tools in here are made in the USA, and I wanted to instill that because that is important. Old Craftsman level, a set of channel lock screwdrivers. And these are pretty nice. I actually bought a set of them for myself. And they look pretty good too. A set of nut drivers. Now, with the older tools that I have, and they're all made in the USA tools. They're not new, but I hunted around and found some that were. So, these are wire cutters, lineman splitters. Okay, so this is nice. You see how wide that gets for such a little package there. This was made in Spain, so we didn't do too good there. Now, it's very important to, of course, channel locks. It's important to instill that in your kids that buying products made in the USA is important. Now, I did this with my son's tools. So, this means something. Craftsman channel or vice grips. They're older, but they are. Now, you can't buy a vice grip made in the USA anymore. I think we're getting close to that. They're called Eagle grips. And I think they're getting close, so when they come out, please buy them. I'm going to. So everything, now this I know, I don't even have to look where that's made. I already know that. Some things you don't have a choice. You have to buy what's available. Torchments. But one thing I think should be made here is our tools. It's important that you work with tools that are made in this country. Now, we have lost a lot of manufacturing jobs to other countries, and they were high-paying manufacturing jobs. And they left service jobs, low-paying service jobs. So buying tools or products made in the USA is important. Now, this drill, the last drill I got that was made in this country was a skill drill from probably 20 years ago. So here you have no choice. But you can see that with the pandemic we had a problem with manufacturing ventilators. They simply weren't manufacturing a lot here. So we had to go to other countries and buy ventilators, which should have been already made here ongoing without having to go anywhere else. And that's not the case. So, if we want to have products made in the USA, we have to buy products that were made in the USA. That's an old Craftsman pressing wrench. So, I'm still on the hunt for tools that are made here for my son's tool bunch. A lot of these electric tools, you got no choice. They are what they are. So, I did the best I could with what was available and what I could find. Now, these tools are more expensive than, cheap tools that may even be just as good as these, but there's a big difference where they're made. So, it's very important that we have manufacturing jobs that make products here. And we don't have so many service jobs that are low paying. So this affects everyone. Every single person. That's why I instilled it in my son, and hopefully you and your daughter or son, when you buy them their first tool set, that maybe you want to try this. Give them a set of tools made in the USA, and instill that in them that this is important. It's important to them and the country. So this is his tool kit. It's a pretty nice tool kit, but we're still working on it. Now I have a hammer that I found. It didn't make it in the tool kit because I brought it home, and I got him a Sears Craftsman pry bar also. I don't see it here, but I was able to find that used. This is the Erie Tool Works. That's not far away from the Chinolo tool company. Okay, so here's my son's first tool bag, and I hope that you would do something like this for your son or daughter, especially before they leave the home. They should have tools before you let them go. So, good luck everyone.